My name is Virginia Gitonga, the principal Alliance Girls High School, a national school, one of the first 18 national schools. It's situated in Thogoto, Kikuyu sub-county. We were invited for a launch at Alliance High School, where we met Equity Bank, which had sponsored Alliance High School. A good project, and I also encourage that program and project in our schools. Equity, we are ready for you as well. Then we contacted Equity Bank, and they took us through the whole process of how we can also convert our kitchen from firewood cooking to gas cooking. They exposed us to several contractors and suppliers, and today we use the LPG gas in our kitchen. We no longer use firewood. We have had the LPG since 2021. We are coming to almost 2 years now. We have used it actually for 1 year and 3/4 of the year. LPG cooking has many benefits. First and foremost, we have done away with deforestation. That is one, and quite major. Then our kitchen is extremely clean, such that our cooks no longer cough just because of smoke. And the first 3 months, we realized that in the worst month, we were saving about 60,000. So if you multiply 60,000 per month for 3 months, that's all 180,000. If you multiply for 3 terms, you see it's going to over 500,000. And so we realized that that money could be used to do another project in school, or we could use the same amount to support needy girls who could not pay their fees.
Now my staff don't wake up as early as they used to. They used to wake up at 2. Now they wake up at 3:30 a.m. because now the gas is to the work road, and we find it more efficient to use the gas compared to firewood. We used to scrub the filters and the hood twice a term. Now we only do it once on cruising the school. Then we used to scrub to remove the soot, which was being brought about by the smoke, the firewood. And still we used to scrub the walls, which we now don't do. We only do at the end of the year. We don't stay longer in the evening because of the work. We only stay because we are waiting for the students to come and serve their 10 p.m. tea.
We used to use a lot of time serving students, but these days we are able to serve them in less than 30 minutes. They are done and they are gone to their studies, that is in the classrooms, where they concentrate in the academics. When you're using firewood, we will have the suppliers bringing in firewood that is not dry, so you'll have to spend a lot of time calling them so that they can come and cut them into smaller pieces, or they add more firewood that is dry, and that one will be wastage of time. But these days we have 2 tankers, each 2 tons, so we have 4 tons. The current suppliers that we have are very efficient, and I'm sure if I have the 2 tanks full, in 2 months I will not have any issue of following up the suppliers.
We are in partnership with Equity, and we've been planting trees where initially the trees were cut. We've done a lot of afforestation. We planted over 5,000 trees. It feels very satisfying, and you feel proud that you are part and parcel of a transforming group that is advocating for greener environment. We are also advocating for use of green energy.